open.
Parang ko lalabas.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to our first episode of Brunching with the Brujas.
Brunch with the Brujas. Mark's Brunch with the Brujas.
Thank you, Mark, for product placement ba ito?
Jamie, masakit ba yung tummy mo? You can just rub some Vaporin over your tummy.
Oh, we have IPI.
Yeah, just rub Vaporin. Yeah.
Kung hindi tumalab, inumin mo na. Joke lang pa.
Sama yung puti ha.
If symptoms persist, consult your arborian.
Keep out of reach of children.
But you're not a child.
I am. I am your child.
No, you're not. Kaya lower chances of winning ako kagabi. Sigaw na sigaw ng mommy. Paano ako makakuha ng winning?
Si Nico.
Sino ang tatay? Yung umuwi, sino yung kagaling ko?
Gumaling pa ako. Ang kaprisete pa.
Hindi niya kami pwede.
Umakbay pa.
So guys, last night, ayan, inano namin, kilala namin si Jamie sa
India. Sa Hyderabad.
Tambayan ng bayan. Dahil,
Sa hideout.
Product placement.
No product placement. Yeah, basta we went to places we usually frequent, diba? One we like for dinner.
Check nyo na lang sa Instagram.
Sabi nga ni Mark, comfort food niya yung dinner, diba? Tapos parang tinulam niya si Jamie, masakit na yung tiyan ni Jamie ngayon.
Hindi, parang hindi sasakit siya, harap yung...
Bawa na.
Yan ka na naman! Kaya mga vlog mo,
sabihin lang natin na mahangin down under.
Hindi.
Under na.
Malamig.
Hindi, mahangin kasi sa lagayan nyo kagabi.
Super mahangin.
Sobrang mahangin.
What, pati yung ano
Pinapag yung ano.
Ito talaga, ito ko sensor ko to. Kaya yung vlog mo, daming sensor na wall.
Kaya mabablock.
Kaya meron na siyang 4M.
Sorry.
4 months.
Kaya yung nakapag-vlog.
Di ba? Wala ko talaga. We started having the camera on kasi we wanted to speak about one topic. Wala nang narating.
Ano mo nga yung topic?
Kasi natin maalala.
Yung topic dapat natin today is about migrating to Canada.
Dapat socially relevant yung mga pinag-uusapan. Not people,
maganda.
but
Not
social.
Yun yung social media.
Maganda yung naging flow kanina.
Nag-walk out na si Mark kasi socially relevant.
Nag-usap na naman tayo. Ay gusto natin sabihin. Gusto niyo ba ng biryani for lunch?
Are you gonna cook biryani for us?
No!
Not today.
Hindi ba nawala na naman sa topic?
So yun nga, let's go back. So what do you guys think about migrating to Canada?
Minsan talaga may migraine ako sa ulo. Migrating.
So use
Migrating ako. Ay, iba
use
ba?
Vaporin.
Migrating ba? Ano yun?
Kuya, migraine, vapor.
Yes, Vaporin.
Grabe
But always
yung
make
product.
sure but always make sure na your hands are clean first using Everclean.
Sumadumi pala yung kamay mo ngayon.
Sorry ha?
Yes.
Malinis to pag isang tayo.
But I trained her well na. She know how to make product placement sa mga sinasabi niya.
So use Everclean first and then now you can use the Vaporin. You can inhale it and put it
Tama kaya ako lang.
Ayan yung pressure si Tony is washing his hands now.
Just use Everclean.
Ngayon na, nag-pressure na siya, nag-walk na siya.
Don't be pressured.
Gusto niyo mag-late lunch? I'm gonna order veg tayo. Sige lang, tayo lang.
Sabi niyo, okay na tayo yung lailan. Sabi ko, okay na lang. Sabi ka lang, veg tali.
Di ba try? Kasi di ba yung mga bad
Tali na lang i-bilhin mo kayo, mag-itali ko.
Pero di ba yung bad stomach? So you can try having
Huwag ka na maingay na I have a bad stomach.
ano mo naman bad ugali? You have a bad attitude. Right? You have a bad attitude.
Huwag ako nalalay, pag-post din.
Just a bad stomach, di ba? Kuya ba you say, you have a bad attitude?
No, okay.
Parang you can have curd bath, right? Millet curd bath or
Okay pa ba to?
curd rice?
No,
I don't know.
hindi na.
If somebody is open it already
Yeah.
for 3 months,
Ay, hindi naman.
how many months?
Asim!
Ito suka.
Suka na eh.
So kung bahal, dato puti.
Mayroon ka bang chicharon? Suka.
Coconut wine.
Di ba ang ganda talaga ng topic natin? Nasusunod tayo.
So, balik nga natin.
Sarap. Sarap, fresh. Asin. Coconut milk.
It's okay ba tourists to do migrate lang?
So, ano, yung mga, because I'm sure most of us have families or friends who decided to migrate in Canada, Australia. Tapos, the scheme is mag-aral, mag-enroll in the university.
Student visa. Yung
Student
parang
visa.
entry mo doon for that specific place.
Hi to my friends, na you know who you are.
Shoutouts!
Kasi they have a beautiful life na supposedly, comfortable life in the Philippines, pero they still choose
to move out.
Move out.
Pass out.
Kahit, tapos, the things we hear, to pass away.
That's graduation.
Kasi we hear stories na naglilinis ng CR, nag-waiter na lang from a very decent professional
Notebook na lang.
Hindi, kasi it's coming from them, it's not coming from me. Kasi nga, they feel na it's they're lowering themselves, which is not true. Kasi nga, you took the risk and it's actually very brave. Diba? So don't lower yourself na, nag-waiter na lang.
Pero yun talaga yung starting mo dun. Kasi yun nga, you have to, parang dadaan ka sa butas ng karayo to get something na nun. Which is, yun na yung nangyayari. Starting nila, naglilinis, nag-merchandiser, minsan nga, nag-gigro sa ano.
Sa ano naman?
Sa fast food.
Bawal.
Fast food pala. So, yun yung parang ano nila, yung dadaanan nila. But yun nga. After that,
ang sarap ng ano ni Betty kasama. Ay, kasama
hindi yan kasama.
Like, parang,
Overcook ko siya sa pangit ng opening ng Mark.
Let's your plan.
Hindi, kasi nag-add ka that time na hindi yun, dapat dapat inangat mo pa ng konti yung isang layer para
Maluto.
No, it's not. The temperature is not tempering.
Look, kasi what happened.
Pero masarap pa rin siya. Parang pudding.
No.
Parang siyang
Yeah,
pudding.
it is turned into a pudding.
Yeah, it's pudding.
No, it's not. But then I think I added a lot of cornstarch din. Tapos
Ay, matigas.
instead of like 45 minutes, I did it for an hour.
And Arden, no, you get an additional.
Who told you? Have you baked?
excuse me.
Have you baked
Mag-
it?
Mag-
Si Jamie nag-walk out na. Gusto niya kasi yung Canada discussion.
Nag-jets kasi siya. Medyo na po.
That's not true!
Let's go to the...
No,
May
that's
amoy
not
na.
true. I'm so sleepy.
Ang sakit sa mata, Jamie.
Ano?
Pa-upload kaya ito? Ewan ko lang.
I-upload mo na kasi ano mo siya.
Hindi siya naging creamy kasi.
Creamy naman siya.
Pero meron ba yung compact mo?
Parang may mold snap. So,
Parang that's the first time I made cheesecake na ganun ka firm. Naging tofu.
pero masarap siya. Which is parang siyang cheese talaga.
Naging cheese block na. Nag-walk out na si Jamie. Jamie, come back!
Si Jamie kasi dapat may relevant na yung topic namin. Pero ewan ko bakit lumabas.
Ay, kasi naman she's with the relevant people.
Lumabas sa kasama, so walk out na si Jamie. Kasi parang kanina pa siya na may opinion. Sorry, Jamie. Comment ka na lang. When you see the video, just comment your...
Comment, like, and subscribe!
And subscribe. Marky on the go at sa YouTube channel.
Oo, grabe talaga yun. Ano, if you want to see something relevant talaga.
Ben and Bettina sa YouTube channel.
Wala ako.
Wala pala.
Ano
Gagawa
ba?
pa.
Princess Consuela, Banana Hammock.
Banana hammock.
Sabi na mga viewer, pinahirapan pa kami. Ano yung spelling ng
Tala.
Pero yun na, di ba? Pero yun yung nangyayari sa
So,
akin.
mag-share si Mark kasi na may first-hand experience siya.
Hindi, kasi
Na-scam pala siya. Grabe. 4M. 4M daw. 4 months.
Pero yun nga, di ba, nakapag-isip-isip talaga ako mag-migrate or ano talaga sa...
Nung ka
Mag-migrate sa Canada during, actually my choice to Canada or Australia. But ano kasi that time, yung strategy, Canada is struggling about tumataas yung renting nila that time eh.
What?
To rent.
Okay.
2023. Yung parang, 2022, parang mag-ano sila, like, yung mga tao doon is na sa pag-rent, sa mga, nila, parang tumas na.
Kung Australia, magkano supposedly yung...
Kung Australia kasi, 500,000 is enough na. Like,
mas mura siya kasi sa Canada.
yes, mas mura siya.
Magkano ang Canada?
750 lang.
Ah, 750,000 lang? Bilhin ko na. Ang mura ng Canada?
No, yun yung parang entry point.
Ano dahil Karnata ka?
Ayun siya, ito mo
Wala din.
Pero yun nga, 750 is para siya surviving for a month lang. So on that month, you should...
Month lang?
Oh, kasi
Grabe
you
naman.
have to pay
Akala
for
ko semester,
tuition.
akala ko.
Yun, binabayan mo whole semester, but how about your rent? For the next month? Because you only pay for that a month. Yung renta mo, parang starting mo doon. So like, 750 is like parang comfy ka.
But this is my question for you. Did you do like a cost-benefit analysis, a feasibility study na, after this, I'm gonna get something?
Babalik po tayo.
No, you can yun nga. Kasi nag-think ka na ganito yung salary may expect mo. Kasi based on kasi hindi ka naman pupunta doon wala hindi ka nagsisearch. So may mga reviews or mga ano nila.
Reviews.
Reviews o tama. Or may testimony na like.
Kasi may agency si Mark. Yung pangalan ng agency.
What?
Incorporated, INC. Bawal.
There you go.
So yun, parang gano'n na siya, like, yeah, you have to pay the rent. Tapos nag-expect ka ng salary na, like, example, may range kasi sila na parang $10 to $15 on that work. So,
Pero tutulungan ka ba nila sa work?
hindi, ikaw maghahanap.
So what's the sense of having them with you?
No, you
Visa,
will just only process your
university.
visa, your enrollment.
How much are you supposed to pay them for all the processing fees?
The processing fee is only 80,000. But everything is there. Yung para tutulungan ka ng documentation, yung university na letter, isang set na siya. You have to pay na lang, tapos register your biometrics, tapos babayar yung foundation. So for the 4 months, yung problem mo lang is renta at yung surviving ano mo. Yung parang
For the
Pero
months.
what is the assurance that you paying 80,000 will be 100% assurance na you'll be able to get into the university, get settled?
No, that's why you have to pay after you get
Pag-open na.
So
You're just
ano
sub-
sa siya? Success fee based?
Yeah.
Success-based fee yan?
Hindi, yung
Hindi mo
gagawin
down
is
payment
ever magmano ka,
Tanggap.
hindi ka matanggap for that university, i-repass
Hanap.
pa rin nila.
Hanap
Hanapan
ka.
hindi, but you don't have to pay again. Because that is already set. So parang i-register.
But what if so many tries you don't make it?
No, I
May balik ka sa puwet.
No, that... For that time kasi parang yung...
Niya.
Pag na, okay, natanggap na natin. Okay.
Parang yung university kasi that time is nag-a-accept sila ng student
Daming
as much as
nag-a-hire
possible.
ng-
Kasi yun nga, parang thinking nila may ano pa
Kasi income din naman for international, for universities, kailangan nila
ng international students to survive. Kasi yung malaki yung income nila for that time. So yun yung parang goal nila.
Kasi the risk, if you get the locals, they're subsidized.
Oo, parang ganun. So parang may need silang yan. Pero that time, grabe yung ano talaga eh. Parang nagpaplano ako, sabi ko sana kuha ng ganitong pera. Sabi ko, parang gusto mo, may eager na that time, but yun, pag after.
Ang daming effort. Kasi ako guys, ganito lang talaga gusto ko. Okay lang sa akin, magbibigay sa akin ng $10,000 monthly. And then, okay na ako with business consultancy advisory on the side. I will attend the business socials. I can run charities and foundations on top of being a plain housewife. Yeah.
To my followers, alam niyo na. That's not impossible, di ba? Hello to my Indian followers.
Yeah.
Indian followers.
I need
Bawal
good
to buy.
cheesecake.
To my Indian followers from Bihar and Gujarat.
Oh my God!
Bawal ba you know Betty na? Mga
Princess Consuela Bananaha mo.
Nahihirapan ka.
Well, anyway, so yun nga, masarap talaga yung cheesecake din.
Naging pasta. Naging leche flan. Pero ang sarap ng salpikaw mo.
Hindi yan sabi ko. Hindi ko talaga nagpas.
No, it's salpikaw kasi it has a lot of garlic.
Hindi kasi, sana sabi ko.
And then you did not-
Wala na kasi yung onion kahapon.
No, did you put lemon? No, this is the point. Bistek has pampaasim lemon or calamansi.
Bukas
Bukas nga daw.
naman siya eh.
Built in.
So you cannot have bistek without calamansi.
Yeah, I know.
So this is salpikaw.
Adobo yung ano ko, adobong baka. Parang yung ano ko, tingin ko talaga.
Kala ko nga tapang.
No, yan parang...
Yeah, more of the tapa siya
Eh,
ngayon.
kasi
Diba?
naging tapa na kasi baka siya eh. So parang yung built in yung tapa na word sa baka, di ba?
Diba kasi ano ginawa mo na timpla mo is ano, diba?
Supa, toyo.
Butter. No, I didn't put
Hindi mo
sugar.
tinimpla sa butter, niluto mo sa butter. Did you put butter in your
No.
garlic?
Ano siya? No, I didn't.
No, kaya nga. So tapa would be your garlic.
Yeah, garlic tsaka butter and tapos.
Tapos
No.
2 kilo pa dyan sarap.
Soy sauce. Tapos,
Soy sauce,
did
tsaka
you put sugar?
No, only...
Jaggery. Kasi
Not
marami.
jaggery,
Honey.
oyster.
Ah, may oyster?
Oyster sauce. Malang.
Eh, veg daw. Oyster mushroom.
Oyster sauce. Yeah, I put oyster sauce on this and then some onions. But I put a lot of onions. I think 3...
Kilos?
3
Wow.
bulbs.
So what variety of onion did you use? Like you use the
Indian.
shallots or the...
Then white onion.
Onion back.
Ah, that's the white onions.
No,
No?
it's the Indian onion, the regular one.
Parang gano'n.
The regular one.
Ah,
Hindi diet?
it's Indian.
Hindi diet or
How do you
zero?
know it's Indian?
Because the onion grow here, so I believe that
Yung masasabi sana ako na baka very...
very
Why
Okay,
not?
okay, but back to the topic.
So this is our first
Hindi namin alam chance kami
This is
kung
mababang na. Mababang na siya.
Walang kwenta-kwenta, walang dire-direction ng vlog. Kaya naman si Jamie with the relevant topic, nag-walk out na.
Yan naman, masakit
mas maganda pa na matulog kaysa makinig or makipag-usap sa mga tao.
I-airdrop ko na lang to sa'yo, Jamie.
Pero yun talaga. Like, parang open point siya that time na kailangan.
Bakit hindi ka natuloy?
Yun nga, I don't know, parang may plan talaga si Lord. Like,
Yeah.
after that, sabi ko kasi, parang December, sabi ko nga, sabi ko siya na, if walang good things na mangyayari for this upcoming year, yung gagawin ko is to resign. Yun yung goal ko talaga, resign.
I can hear a sound.
Ano yan, sa
Washing machine.
washing machine.
Ah, I thought yung 6 member of the group.
Like,
Bumubulong
the time
kay Jamie.
We've been joking.
Okay.
So, yun.
Yeah, it can be ako. I'm a firm believer that, you know, when something happens and it doesn't push through the way you want it to be, it's not a rejection, it's a redirection. Had you pursued it, you wouldn't have met all these wonderful and amazing people. And you
Sana
wouldn't
natuloy na lang ako dito. Sana natuloy na lang
Oh,
ako.
nice na
Great
easy.
brunch in
Oh,
the
why not?
morning.
I mean,
Sorry, Mark.
my life changed.
Mm.
My life changed.
Yan.
Naging
Kawawa
buo.
na.
Naging buo. Pero yun nga, parang like, lalo pala siya, parang nire-direct ako sa lahat ng bagay. Because yung goal ko lang that time is to promote like maybe branch accountant or branch manager or depot manager. That's the, parang yun yung parang goal na that time eh. Pero that time kasi nagtotalk na kami ng about ng mga ganyan promotion.
Sino ka talk mo?
Basta mga tao, mga one of these people.
Yes, sir.
Reveal! And if you know who you are, let us know.
You're watching this vlog at their name.
Real, parang asking, parang talaga, shift yung life ko. Tapos, kasi yung nangyari, pagbalik ko from, kasi nalan pa kami na Bukid nun. Pagbalik ko talaga,
Muni, Char.
the good
Doon
news.
sa Malay-Malay, yung may ganon.
Doon, sa ano.
Malay-Malay ba yun? Malay-Malay.
Malay-Malay,
the-
Bukid nun.
Di ba parang doon yung monastery?
Monastery. Pero hindi kami
Transfiguration.
So, ito yun, parang after pabalik, takbo na. Tapos,
Ha?
Bakit ka tumakbo? Hindi ka nag-play?
hindi na gano'n yung ano, like, pag after na interview, process na. Then February.
Natanggap ka ng university? Or wala, hindi mo kumabot sa point?
Hindi na umabot sa point na gano'n.
Bakit? What
Preliminaries pa lang. Wala ka pang down
The
payment.
problem is that the money. Kasi yung mahal.
Magkano yung dapat i-down mo?
You should prepare almost 250.
Initial payment.
Initial payment lang. Like parang yung mga document. Yung processing fees and mo na siya babayaran.
May visa na, may admission.
So yun yung parang need mo pang someone to yun, mag-borrow ka, yung sabi ko nga sa ate ko, tapos parang madala mong...
So, reassessing your life now, based on what you planned before, do you think you did well by, going this path? On top of
Nagsisisi nga.
on top of you, I mean, you set aside that you got to meet these really great people, yeah, and amazing
No, it's not
people
great
like
people.
us.
It's only good life.
Good life.
Good life.
Yes.
So, all is well.
All is well, all is well.
Pero,
Yun din yung quotable quote ko kahapon kay Rancho. Yung sabi niya, hindi yung sabi niya na I'm not praying to get this job. I'm not praying for...
And that's Raju.
Raju.
I'm not begging for
I'm
this.
just making...
No, I'm not begging for this job. I am praying.
No. Sabi niya, I'm not...
Ano, panoorin ulit natin. yun, para makita
Basta
natin.
something like that, basta sabi niya na I'm just thankful for this life.
Pero yun, that time, pero I cannot make comparison kasi hindi pa ako makapunta doon eh. So, yeah, there's a good...
No, my question for me, my question for you is, parang, do you regret not pursuing it? And then, with the kind of life you have right now, parang, there's always this regret,
Ganito na lang, I'll rephrase your question. May mga kasamahan ka ba that time na nag-apply na you see that nandun sila? Or, so you don't know anyone?
Wala. As in, ano siya, kasi yung nangyari,
Hindi mo ma-compare yung
hindi.
situation if natuloy ka or not.
Parang gusto ko lang, kasi that time kasi frustrated ka na sa life because parang, kasi yung life namin, kasi nag-stop ako before, after graduation, nag-stop kami ng 6 months na walang work. Tapos nag-apply ka ng...
Kasi COVID, right?
COVID that time. Tapos nag-apply na, yes, may ano siya, pero hindi pa din siya good enough to,
Hindi mo ba napapansin, sa lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, nagkakaroon ng balakid. The only thing na wala ka ng balakid is yung dinala ka sa amin.
Kasi kami yung balak.
Pero, hindi, kasi pagdating ko dito, yun pala, relationship yung life, pero hindi talaga siya like totally expected.
Kasi baka wala ka ng expectations.
Oo, ngayon din, mayroon pa, ang dami pa.
Hindi, pagdating mo dito, may expectations ka ba?
Wala. Yung pagdating ko lang dito, sabi ko mag-work lang talaga. Like, I have to save for like this, like that. Pero hindi siya na-follow. Like, yun nga, even though you set up plan na ganyan, yung parang, yung timeline mo, ganyan nga dapat yun. Hindi talaga siya nag-a-align sa'yo.
Correct, may schedule si Mark sa room niya na daily schedule.
Not just daily
6 a.m.
but night
time, wake up, go to gym, read a book.
Hindi ko naman napapos sa mga
Meron sa daily schedule, parang may
Meron
daily
yun,
schedule.
Just to prove the point na hindi lahat ng pinapply.
He has his life well planned and everything.
God,
Ang personing na si Mark.
pero yun talaga, hindi siya nag-aalay. Kasi I have a friend din.
Ayan na naman tayo. Sino ba yung friend? Alam mo, meron akong scorecard dito para may tell I have a friend ka na.
I have a friend from other countries. So yun nangyari is, parang pinan-out
Saan na other country sa Philippines?
It's another country now.
I will not mention the country so that they will just, hanging. So yun, parang yung like, nasa na yung gagawin nito, ganito. Pero what happened? In just one week, hindi tuloy lahat. Like, parang nag-domino effect siya. Kasi
may planan na siya. So,
yung plan
it's dependent to...
Yeah. After this one, dependent yung... Parang nasa siya dito, dependent na yung the rest of the plan. But what happened this time, parang pinag-pack. Isang just one week, hindi na tuloy.
So, change talaga lahat.
Hindi naman na-change, parang na-delayed lang. Na yung plano niya dapat ganito, kuhanin niya, dapat nagawa niya. But yun nga, may ibang plano siya. Pero I think, totoo talaga yung kahit gaano kaganda yung plano mo, kapag hindi iaayon sa'yo, pero wala, it's useless.
For me, you lift it up. For me, you give it up to God.
Yeah, yun nga. Yun yung ginagawa ko, hindi ko na pressure yourself ko na if ever what happens, kung tumatutuloy or ano.
But then, you lift it up to God, but then do something also.
Yeah,
Nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa.
You are just looking for that. Hindi naman siya lagi sabi
Diba parang ako, Lord, give me a jowa. Then papadala si Lord, ay,
So, syempre,
friend, sobro.
Diba?
so, tumigil na si Lord, sabi niya,
Pagod na ako.
So yun, parang yun ang
saya sa delivery charge daw si Beth.
Nagkakasaya lang ano.
Sa Shopee, tapos nabalik na naman.
Dinala na nga ako ng ibang bansa.
Return to sender para again. Pero yun nga, parang may iba talaga plan. Hindi ako natuloy sa plan ko na yun, parang ganun. Pero actually, before ako pumunta dito, sabi ko mag-iipon ako.
Oh, that's why it looks creamy. I don't know what's the difference.
Mag-iipon ako
Hindi naman yung sa akin.
for Canada talaga. Pagdating ko dito, pero hindi na.
Akala idol mo si Ethan, kaya sobrang kang relate din sa,
Hello.
Again.
Oh, parang ko talaga sila.
Hi,
Meron kang joy.
Hi.
You have a joy in your life.
Alden.
Join?
Hi, Katrina. Hi, Alden. If you're watching
Joy
this,
dishwashing.
guys.
Joy, free lang gamit mo.
April
Free or free?
Pero hindi that time kasi parang hindi. I think parang focus ako sa life talaga to change something. Parang may people prove ka pa eh. Parang ganun yung thinking.
You have coffee.
Wala.
Other than yung mga dala ko.
Wala yung ano yun.
You have tea, no?
Yung tea mo.
You want delivery?
Kailangan ko na. Tagal ko pala nakatulog kagabi. Then nagkape ako. Oh my God, 4 AM na. Hindi pa ako makatulog.
Oh, really? At kasi Corby, sabi ko, ay yung mga boys, nag-iinis pa sila ng brunch sa labas. Sabi niya, did you sleep very late? No, it's not very early, 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Very early, 2
Ano
a.m.
pala siya na-dry yung ano, na sobraan mo na.
Kasi nga, di ba, I was trying to get the burnt top. Palitan na natin.
Zepto na coffee, masarap.
Kung nakasales.
Ako, yeah. Ano kasi?
You want coffee? Which location? Di ba nakasave ka naman sa akin? 11. Siyempre, hindi natin lalabay.
May bahay po si, ano dito, may bahay si Betty. Namamahin.
Namamahay yung ano niya up.
Actually, pag tinanong mo yung apps
Pagod na
ko,
pagod na
sabi
din
niya,
yung-
saan ba ito nakatira?
Pagod na din yung guard sa'yo. Pagkita kay Betty, dyan na naman si Madam.
Yung delivery sa... Hindi talaga bababa sa 2 or 3 delivery sa araw-araw. Pupunta siya.
Kumakati yung kamay niya pag hindi siya na.
Kasi, di ba, for...
Nung nasa Philippines ka, did you find the same convenience to deliver your kasi?
Especially during COVID, di ba? Ano na, sa uli na ako ng mga food
Food
panda
panda,
drivers.
Grab.
Grab kasi nandito na ako nung medyo nag-ano na ang ano eh.
Si Grab food. Pero they don't have as much discounted.
Kusong ka dito, hindi siya matamis. Sakto lang yung ano.
Siyempre, gold standard yun ng mga tita.
Masarap
Ang mahal
talaga yung
ng
kasama,
coffee
no?
nila sa Septo. Let's
Promo
say
lang pala nila
McDonald's
yun.
na lang. Let's
Promo
say
lang pala
McDonald's
nila.
na lang. Or Dunkin'.
Dunkin. Masarap yung Dunkin. Tapos bangko yung
Yung na hot Americano na lang. It's Dunkin'. It's a 24 hours. Yeah, kasi 104 AM yung order ko. Ikaw, anong drinks mo, bata?
Ice latte ulit ako.
Ako yun na din, ice latte.
May Vietnamese ba sila?
Wala.
Or...
Ay, doon maraming coffee shops ngayon dito. But then Dunkin' is gonna deliver in 15 to 20.
Pero yun kasi yung nangyayari sa amin. I
Ano
think
nga?
sa generation namin, parang lahat kailangan minamadali. Kasi parang gusto mo improve something. I don't know, parang pressure talaga siya sa
Social media is telling you na yun nga.
No, yun
If
pala.
you're 24 and you're not earning a
older ka
million.
na, parang maganda na, parang may
No, that's not right, guys. Because it's not...
Bakit ang mahal ng Dunkin' kakabi nung isang gabi? Hindi naman.
Baka may
Panis. Baka panis na.
Let's try other coffee shops.
Go.
You want to try Third Wave or something?
Third wave is so
Masarap
good.
din ang third.
Masarap yung
Coffee
na.
itself is really
Yeah.
good.
No, but it's not.
Pero mahal si third wave.
No, I mean, Dunkin's gonna give you, there's a buy one, get one.
Bogo.
There's iced
Bogo,
dry,
bogo.
there's iced dry hazelnut cappuccino.
Yeah, okay na ako din. Yeah.
Buy one, take one kami go.
Okay.
Kami na
You want
charity mo
milk
sa...
or slim milk?
Yung walang charge.
Free.
No, it's just the same. You want
Guys?
milk or slim milk?
Slim diet si Mark. Yeah, naman sa diet
Yeah.
niya.
Okay, sige, diretso na
Pag,
tayo.
pag alam mo ngayon, for the past week, 88 na ako. Pag
Eh kasi
kita ko,
nag-diet
91.
nag-diet daw si Mark for the whole week.
Just for that 2 days
Just for
na
that.
diet lang.
Naawa kami sa pinakain namin. Ayun, babawi na
But
siya.
Mark, there's hot chocolate, pero you just have to buy one take one na lang para masaya.
Ano pala, para decision din siya. Tinatanong ko tayo kung anong gusto.
To Dunkin ba yan?
Ano, third wave.
Third wave. Masarap yung third wave. Legit yung coffee nila in fair.
Marami silang buy one take one, puro sandwiches. Oh, there's iced latte regular. There's hot chocolate regular is buy one get one.
Hindi ako choco, parang tamis.
Hot cappuccino, iced cappuccino, hot latte.
Nakatulog kasi ako ng 6 hours. Sinap na yun.
Buy one, take one.
Wait, but there's an iced Japanese matcha latte, like the one you had last night.
But cold ba siya?
Yeah, kasi I
Iced
said
nga,
iced.
diba?
Yes. I'm not sure but you said
Kasi
iced.
Ako! Hindi kasi yung tumatasawad ako yung matcha, sabi ko,
mainit.
para mainit yung matcha. Yeah, I'm good with that, but you have to make it more bigger because matcha, I love matcha.
No, it says only regular is buy one. take one.
Regular nga daw, ice regular.
Sige, may one day na natin lang yung dalawa.
Oh, there's a Vietnamese shakerato.
Ay, hindi yan masarap. Yan yung may nilalagyan nila ng mint sa third wave. Ayoko mo sa third wave ng Vietnamese. I have trusted Vietnamese iced coffee here in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yeah. Yung masarap lang na na-try ko was Blue Tokay
Okay.
na iced Vietnamese cafe. Tapos this coffee shop in Goa na they serve really good Vietnamese ice and breakfast. So you guys should try it. Watch my vlog. Watch my vlog.
So what else am I gonna have? Like, how much am I supposed to pay? Completely get your bill. Add one item. What? Wait, kapag item nila.
So yun na nga.
Hindi
I'm gonna get you the iced Japanese matcha latte also. Kasi it says free daw siya.
Sige, bahala ka. Kami, tatanggap lang kami sa mga abulo.
No, it's going to be
Ayuda.
the
Freebie.
freebie for the hazelnut cappuccino. Is you wanna stick with the hazelnut cappuccino?
Ako yung
Okay lang ba? Okay lang.
What?
Akala ko lang.
Pwede na.
Or you want it to make it to na lang, yung ano, without the
Hazelnut?
matcha? Yeah.
So may freebie pa na isa.
Yeah, it says contains one free item. I have to let go of the ano. If you cannot be greedy, diba? Sabi, if you cannot be greedy, you can only have one buy one, take one.
Okay, I'll go with the hazelnut na lang.
Mm.
Tapos yung preview mo yung matcha.
No, there's no freebie na nga. Kasi nga you get buy one, take one. Dalawa na yung
Dalawa
isa.
na.
And the second one, dry hazelnut, then you get the matcha.
So, that's it. Yung preview.
Which one? So,
Ay, ang gulo.
He's gonna get the
Kaya ko yung
hazelnut.
hazelnut kasi I have to get
So hindi ka na mag-matcha.
Hindi na lang, kasi yun
Hindi
nga.
na lang daw, biglang na ano si Mark, na sad.
Ano pa ganyan din?
Ooh.
Pero, it's true ba dapat maging contento o hindi? Ano, I mean, ano ba, ikaw yung papipiliin. It's okay to be contented or...
My motto, this is one thing I've been telling my friends, to always resist
But never
comfort.
obsess.
Comfort. Always resist comfort. Always push and push harder and outgrow your shell. So, contention is good. But for growth and for life and personal careers and for your wisdom as well as mga attitude, always push to outside your push beyond your boundaries.
Pero ikaw ba, are you afraid to start again or...
I don't know.
My
Are you
life
afraid to start again or...
I was, pero my life experience taught me that
That
it's
after,
okay.
after,
It's
no,
okay to restart, and my life experience showed me na I can do with the least.
Actually,
And I can also do with the most.
Yes, yes.
So anything.
It's okay to
parang-
start again because because you believe that even you started again, I think there's
I'm
something.
gonna be okay.
Yeah.
Yung tipong ganun na kahit mag-start to zero ako. And it's
Yun yung algorithm ko sa ano sa TikTok, like it's okay to start again. Parang yun yung nag-push through na bumalik ka na ng Pinas.
When you start over again, you tell me.
And now we're
Like parang,
starting over.
yun nga, di ba, parang sabi ko sa inyo, yung way ng yung plan ko is hindi siya na ganun. But,
Pero depende naman kasi iba-iba tayo eh. Ako, I don't have any independence sa akin, which I'm...
Oh, it's creamy naman pala. It's nice.
my side na creamy.
Yung may molds siya.
Pero yung brown sugar, it gave another dimension of taste to it.
Oo, third dimension.
No.
Get ko din yung point mo na ano, pag
Privilege lang ako kasi wala akong family to
To support.
hindi naghihingi. I mean,
Yeah, me also, wala namang financially
That is one
independent on me
thing.
other than my bro.
kami, financial independent kami
Kami sa'yo.
Baka
Isipin mo
nakalimutan
na lang.
Isipin mo kami.
hindi naman
Di
alam.
ba parang gaya na kami sa coffee shop?
Sama-sama na kami.
Independent. Si ano lang pala yung community. Parang
Manda ka sa invoice sukas talaga.
Oh, di ba yung 10,000 ko nga pala? I need 12,000 kasi 2,000 for my dog.
Hindi pa
Ay,
sa
no, I make it 13, 1,000 for my friends. Oh, di ba?
Parang hindi pala eh. Parang ano lang yun, parang nililihan tayo sa aso. Parang
Mas
sa
mabuti
aso.
pa ngayon.
Oh, mas mahal siya. Mas
okay.
mahal yung aso ko, di ba? Ano ko kaya yun?
Ano na pala tayo?
Oo naman pala.
So kung may aso pa, ano pa tayo?
Daga, daga.
Tayo yung ibis. Lamok.
Ako sa ganito ha, since, ano na, I'm a sage. Sure,
Wow.
veteran since I'm now 29.
Oh.
No, it's like investing. It depends on your stage in life. Your investment goal will be different. Parang, if you're young, you can go for growth. You can go for riskier
High risk.
investments because you have time. But then as you get older, more of, I just want something na safe yung investments ko. I have something na pumapasok monthly to support my life. Parang, so it really depends on the situation where you are at the moment or yung stage mo sa buhay.
Totoo yan, yun yung ano talaga na kapag darating ka na sa age, parang gusto mo na lang yung parang magsusupport siya
So
sa...
ganito, may insurance ka na ba?
Magbibenta ng pala. Usap tayo. Kaya pala may pang-kape si Betty.
Di ba na yung goal?
Grabe yung connection, di ba? I offered coffee. Then I started talking
Yun
about
lang pala, bibenta pala.
And I started talking about investments. Pero masarap siya. Masarap mamaya.
I don't know, maybe.
Tugtugin ka nila. Ay, sorry, baba ito.
Ano siya, panakit na insurance,
Ayan.
plan insurance.
Investment plan.
Cancel mo na yung kape.
Parang hindi namin iwano. May inom ng
Sabi ako nag-order third wing, so yung malapit. May malapit na third
yeah,
wing, di ba?
there, malapit sa the region.
So, mawi-witness niya kung gaano kabilis. Hopefully, mabilis.
So it says here,
Wait.
Approve.
Ang ganda.
it says it's coming in. Oh, I know na doon pala ako pumupunta sa third wave na yun. Yung malapit sa Radisson.
Oh, yun.
Doon.
Tama doon.
So I'll
It
just...
comes in 15 minutes. So it's arriving in 40 minutes.
Guys, here dito sa India, you need to go down to the gate to get your parcel or all
You need not.
deliveries.
You need not go down, di ba?
No,
You don't need to.
you don't need to go down to get your parcel or deliveries because there's an app that if the delivery is there, then you should you only have to what do you call this?
Di-deliver ng drone.
Ito ba ako maka-open?
So, sa mga manananggal, may job kayo.
Pag
Pero
sila,
na-delivery lang.
night shift.
Pero kailangan
Ano
nila,
graveyard?
pero kailangan nila visa. May visa. First nila visa.
Sure, yung mamananggal?
Oh, hindi nila na visa, half visa.
Ay, yung ano naman pa dito, crosswise, landwise.
It depends. Kung saan dadaan. Kung sa gate, magano sila.
Hindi mo makakalo, oo. Hindi mo paano makalipad.
Hindi, hindi pa lang.
Pero ano, discounted dapat, 50%.
50% nga, kaya happy nila.
Hindi, dadalhin pa din yung katawan. Kargain. Ano ba? Kasi para diretso-diretso na. Pinabukas.
Iwan mo na sa store.
So, kung manananggal ka, mas mabilis ka makapunta Canada, no, kailangan mo pa rin visa, no?
Kailangan pa ng visa. Tapos, hindi, mahirap mag-lumipad doon. Kasi hindi na. So,
But
Malamig.
in summer, do you go for summer or like fall or spring?
Sunny. Sunny masyado.
No, in Canada kasi diba, even if it's summer or spring, depending on
Malamig pa din.
Oo. So, ano?
Magka-Canada kami. So, the plan is magka-Canada.
no, actually, gusto ko talaga mag-Canada.
If you guys want to see us in Canada, mag-send kayo ng...
Pero I believe talaga na
Hi to my family in Canada, in Vancouver, in Toronto.
Kahit naman
Yeah, maybe I'll be in Vancouver in 2029.
Hi, Nina!
Kasama ng Bini. Mag-tour ng Buni.
So, but after 3 years, if there's nothing changed.
Hi, Nina! In Cos, you just come here to India. We'll go around with the rest of the gang.
Hindi na daw siya, kasi marami na daw. Hindi na kailangan pupunta dito.
Bakit?
Marami nang Indian doon sa Canada.
Mayroon na Indian, dito na Indian.
I don't want to see anything na.
Hindi, in a good way naman. No, actually, in a good way. The good thing there is that there's an Indian community. Like here also, we have a Filipino community. So,
Yeah.
in a good way. Hindi naman,
It's not gonna be difficult to adjust.
Yeah, just-
I think one of the best
That's
stories
why
I
you're best.
heard. No, one of the best
we love
stories I
Indians.
One of the best stories I heard about Filipino communities was, I know this family, they went to Vancouver, but of course they were starting over again, so they didn't have a lot of stuff at home. The Filipinos in the community started putting up like yung mga sofa nila and all. I think that's the good thing about Filipinos, they really try to help one another. But of course, there will always be rotten eggs in the basket.
Yes, there is.
Minsan marami. Wow.
What is rotten? There is dito. What is rotten?
Ratan daw.
Rotten.
Yung basket. Ratan in the basket.
Rotten basket.
Ratan yung sa palengke.
Tumatagal naging bubo talaga yung topic.
How many minutes na yung meron tayo? Hi Iris, you missed this. Pag-driving mo kasi si Champ,
Alam ko talaga ano siya.
na-slow mo? Oh my God, yun na naman siya. Ganun yung ginawa niyo sa
Tapos
bahay
pag-play
ko.
natin,
Yung podcast niyo sa bahay ko, dun sa salas ko ganun, nung i-open ko, sabi ko, wow, 20 minutes. I don't think it was that long. Pagdating ko, ang minute after, aba, ay slow mo na. Oh my God, ano nga nalalaman natin topic? Ilang minutes na lang for the topic to come. Where is it?
So yun siya, pero yan. Pero hindi ko pa pinaklose yung door ko to, to my gate sa Canada.
Oo naman, never.
Never close a door. Oo.
Kasi parang...
Especially daw na ba door? My God, yung tita jokes ko, e-corny. Okay.
Yan, na po siya, hindi po siya nakapagkape.
Kailangan pa lang po.
Uy, oo, si Levi's, I got a coupon, extra 10% off on above 4,999.
Lagi naman yung ganyan offer dito. Pero hindi na siya bago. Pumunta ka dun sa other side ng ng DLF, makakakuha ka ng buy 4 get 5.
Which other side of DLF?
Di ba?
Paano yung buy?
Dito, ganito kinaali, papunta dito na daan. Dito na area.
Paano yung buy 4 get 5? 9
Oh,
natin.
9 na makukuha mo.
Would that be the one yung may trampoline, Kemerut, yung meron mga Benetton, gano'n?
Yes, that area.
Is, oo.
Yeah, for that,
Like you buy 3, you get 2 free or you...
No, buy 3 get 4. Buy 4 get 5.
Pag ako walang nakita ha?
Marami.
Anong gagawin mo?
Mga
pag
sa
wala?
Hindi, marami.
Mga polo na
Galing ako doon kasi
checker.
pupunta, di ba, nagbili ako.
Mga long sleeve na checker.
Hindi. Maraming magaganda. Buy 4 get 5. It's so good, good quality. Kasi doon pumunta ako.
Mga long sleeve ka checker.
Hindi kasi pumunta ako doon, nagpunta ako ng lens card, di ba, sabi ko sa'yo, nag-check ako ng...
Ano to, may product placement?
Nagpaano ka ba? Nagpa-check ka?
Yun sabi,
Bakit hindi ka bumili?
Sabi sa
sabi ko
kanya,
sa'yo, hindi daw pwede, hindi daw ako dapat mag-
alam mo kung bakit? Sabi din, tapos sasabihin mo, I got this from Lenscart. Tapos sabihin ng mga tao, oh my God, and this is bad marketing for us.
Masira yung product nila.
Oo. Sabi, magbulag ka na.
Guys, kailangan talaga nila ng kape. Iba na yung ano nilang bigay nila. Nagiging ano na.
Yung lentil.
Nagiging papanis na yung ano nila. Mga pananalit na nagiging sinigang na. Umaasin na yung ano nila.
Bitter na eh.
Bakit daw? Hindi pa mataas yung ano?
Wala talagang problema sa mata mo. Yun nga.
Hindi. But
Actually,
nagbebenta sila ng mga anti-glare?
Exactly my point. And like ako, ikaw yung magmamarket doon, I will tell him na wala naman ano yung...
Do you work in front of the PC,
Oo.
sir?
Like, do you go to a coffee shop at night? You work?
Hi,
You have
MC.
the main character.
No, ano yun yung sabi ko sa kanya na actually the purpose of this buying glasses is not for the health of
It's for aesthetics.
for the aesthetic or just for the fashion.
Bumili ka ng labrate at tagalin ko yun.
Hindi, sabi nila, they can put naman doon and there's, sabi nila yung
Glare.
the glare, ano yung tawag yung isa pa na parang
Photo chromatic, yung gaya sa akin.
Previous na lang nila yun kasi yung babayaran mo spray na lang.
Magkano yung frame?
I forget to ask.
30,000.
No, it's not. Actually, it's 2,000 and buy one, get one already.
So ano bang pili isang ganito, isang ganito?
What I usually do pag yung mga
No, meron silang offer na
sabay
they
kami.
only remove the eyeglasses and the sunglass. Parang ganun siya. Meron din.
So, ganun.
What were you saying? Like, before?
So, yung mga kaibigan ko, we usually get the offer to buy one, get one. Tapos, sabay kami dalawa. Kasi you can have two different lens.
And also they can share daw. If you have an
Different-
account, tapos ako wala akong
I can send you my
siya yung
gold account.
Ang dami ko lagi yung lens card na coupons kapag nagpapadeliver.
You can use it. Actually, very good and convenient siya.
Kasi yung sarili ko ginagamit ko.
The good thing in lens card is marami sila makapag-assist sa'yo. Like everything, like yung punta ka dito.
Grabe na yung endorsement
No suggestion nila. I know, I mean, that's why I want to endorse them because you know what?
Ano na lang?
the
Did you get the specs? Yung parang anong yung grado-grado?
Meron, wala ko.
So 0-0 siya.
0-0.
So mag-order ka na lang online sa lens card para deliver na lang sa'yo.
Gusto ko pumunta sa store kasi gusto ko talaga.
Bakit ba ba
Hindi
kailangan
nga.
gusto niya physically pumunta eh? Alam naman niya, gusto lang niya physically pumunta. Malay mo may dinidate na naman siya
Sino kaya? Hindi kasi may 3D din sila na you can try it on the frames kung bagay ba sa'yo or hindi.
Eh paano kung ang picture niya from 10
Baka
years
sa puti,
ago?
baka sa puti na mukha mo, di na ma-detect.
Yung ba filter
Yung
na
glasses.
yung
Wala ng border.
Yung kawawa yung sa ilaw talaga, wala nang papadlagyan.
Ay dito nakapamatin ng mga news.
O diba na, sana yung Canada natin.
So yeah, Canada.
Kanata!
Paano Mark pag yung offer is sa China?
Actually, for the
India.
ano yung what do you mean offer na ano? Anong offer like?
Huwag na lang pala, doon baka
Wag na.
chismis tayo. Ayan na.
No, is it there?
It's already here.
Really?
Yeah. it's already approved. I think 5 minutes. He will.
It says 6 minutes on time.
No, 5 minutes because sa 1 minute i-aakyat din.
Diba?
No, kasi I don't know if the map is totoo or not.
Baka nasa gitna proof ng ano.
Ito.
Eh, di siya.
Hindi, tama yun.
Alin? Mag-CR ka, Mark?
CR muna.
So that ends our, ay hindi pa pala, will end pagdating ng coffee so that you guys will know how many minutes
Yeah.
dumating siya. So as a concluding remark, Char, kasi to be fair, we are all here in abroad, wow.
Overseas.
So, we can tell you, wow, do we have the right to tell them like,
What? I don't know.
whatever pasture you are in, you have to water it para maging
Yeah.
greener talaga siya. Kasi even if you move to a different greener pasture, if you don't take care of yourself, you don't take care of the surroundings in your life, so wala din. So, wherever you are,
Wherever.
whatever you do,
Whenever.
I will be there right here waiting for you.
Shakira.
Whenever, whatever, we're meant to be together.
I'll be there and you'll be here. Yeah, kasi naman, parang it's not always the end game. Like when you ask, I don't think it's a matter of satisfaction. You said it correctly that, yes, even if this is the point where you want to be, you have to keep on moving. Diba? Kasi diba ngayon,
You have to resist comfort. Kasi you have to keep growing. You have to
yeah, I mean,
outgrow.
there's always something new to learn. It's like, I think your greatest frustration will happen when you pursued something and you got it, and then you think na yun. It's not.
Mhm.
You have to keep growing, and then I think life is about learning. But for you to learn, you also have to unlearn some of the things you thought are
True.
going to be happening. And your greatest teacher would be your daily experience.
Kasi, sabi nga, if you, kasi struggling is a proof that you're living. So, you have to continue living or else you will start dying. So, parang nakita ko siya na quote na, are we living or are we just slow dying? So, once pag frustration happens when you feel na you're at the end of your parang the struggle and all, when goal
Imagine we're having this big conversation whenever Mark's out.
Tapos sa labas natin, wala ka nang gagawin. So,
I have this written on my
Slow-
whiteboard
slow
in the
dying.
office. I have this thing written on the whiteboard of my office. Like, on a daily basis, I look at it and it says, progress over perfection.
true.
We're a work in progress.
Mga development workers project.
Progress over perfection.
Correct. Kasi there will be problems, there will be challenges. So,
Kasi di ba
don't-
parang there's always a
You
goal
have
you
to
would
learn.
like to achieve, right? There's a goal that you always have to achieve. That's a goal, but it doesn't mean na
It's the
ma-achieve mo
end.
siya. It's a means to an end. Or an end to a means, whatever.
It's an end to some, it's a means to...
It's a means to an end. Ito naman tayo, logical framework na tayo. Mark, come here, we're gonna talk about logical framework na. DFM. Ay, ganun naman siya. Mark, Jamie, are you okay?
Coming from the seniors, hindi
A sage of wisdom.
and beauty.
Ikaw yung wisdom, ako yung beauty.
Diba?
Sabi ko.
Kala ko yung beauty lang. Beauty lang talaga.
Gia.
Tapos you have to enjoy life. The best thing I learned about just enjoying and being thankful sa life mo is blessings come talaga. It's you don't chase, you attract. Because happiness attracts blessings. Diba? I don't know why. But most people I know, especially the kind people I know, are the happiest. And the happiest people I know are the kindest din.
Not the prettiest.
Huwag na natin i-push. Pretty inside. So mag-stay inside na lang, huwag na lumabas.
Ako naman, tagal naman.
Nawala na, baka nasa...
Magdo-doorbell yan.
First floor.
Check.
So if you have comments guys,
Oo, ito naman pag na-publish lang eh. Pero kung ito ay naka-airdrop lang sa amin sa isa't isa, of course, we do not expect your comments. Yeah, it's arriving now. It says it's arriving now, coming to your doorstep. Nasaan na? Kailangan na yung kape. Sabi ni Mark, kailangan pagkapehin ko na muna ito bago ako sunod ka usapin. May donut ka pa, Jamie, sa fridge. Okay. Sinave mo si Jamie sa pagkakaroon ng sakit na
early ako nagising kanina.
Ano oras ka nagising? Di ba you slept at
8:30 kasi sobrang naiihi ako. Tapos nag-chips. Ay, sorry.
Pero best answer talaga.
Shoutout na tayo sa mga friends natin. Hi sa mga friends natin dyan.
Hi, Burley! We miss you!
Yeah. This vlog is gonna beat your vlog.
We miss you, Burley! Pero syempre, no? To the Philippines.
Filipino community. Filipino
Oh, to the Filipino
In
community.
the Sikandarabad country.
In the whole of Hyderabad.
All of Hyderabad. To my friends in IT. Iligan Institute of Technology pala. And to people in the US.
United States.
May Kuya Edgar, si Marge. Hello po. Yeah,
Ayan na si Mark.
Shoutout kay sa mga friends ni
Buti naman, Mark, sakto lumabas ka na kasi parating na
Friends
yung
ni Mark
COVID.
sa
Hindi
Cebu,
talaga kami
tsaka
talaga
sa
tayo.
Siargao.
At saka, facial leave.
Ay, sa mga friends ni Jamie, then si Iya. Hi Iya, hi Drew. Hope to meet you soon. Wow! Close! Kay Isabel. Wow!
Sino ba friends? Hi, Liza!
Kay Mr. Chongchen. Unang boss. Sa ibang room talaga deliver yung kape.
Which doorstep?
Sa 12th
It's
floor.
on
Sa
the way.
11th
It's
floor.
arriving now.
Arriving.
Yeah. Si Sephora, ako nanunukso, napapadali.
Pinapasok ka eh.
Sabi ko, it would be good with coffee. Jamie, okay na kami. Pwede ka nang magugas ng plato.
Inalila ka na.
Mag-1 hour yung podcast natin.
Really?
51 minutes.
Oh.
Dami
Kaya
pa
kaya yung
kasama.
memory natin.
Sa phone, hindi ka naman akin.
Hindi, delete ko naman din naman ito.
Pero maganda siya. Pag-edit yung portions, I will do some editing. Tapos,
Higa ng effort.
Hindi, I will do an editing. Kasi kwenta talaga yung lumalabas.
Grabe yung hangin ha.
Pagbukas mo.
Oo. Baka kasi naman ito yung ano, baka may 7th friend na.
Hello, friend.
Oo, may 7th friend na. Nasama si 6th friend.
Ladies and gentlemen,
The big winner! Tony! Tony! Oh!
ay, sinalado naman yung pinto. Wala na hangin.
Di naman dito
Lasot-lasot na kasi.
no?
Lasot-lasot kasi siya. Galing from the hallway. Tapos nagpo-flow
Di ba
siya.
galing dito sa silipin?
Hindi.
No, it's not. From
I-close mo nga. Mawawala tong dito, yung flow. See? Kasi siya.
Hindi ko kita ang hangin eh.
Eto nga. Hindi mo ako science. Tayo na
Sa siniskwela.
Tuklasin
Ano kung alam ko, pagbulag ng mata, langit na
Ano?
nawawasan.
Number 2, you have to leave.
I'd like to thank the US Embassy and the Philippine
Ano ba,
Embassy.
sis?
YC Liang Southeast Asian Leaders Initiative. You are never too young to learn and you are never too old to
Oh, not learn, lead.
lead pala. You are never too young to lead, but you are never too old to learn. Yun pala yun.
Ay, kasi bakit tayo ng t-shirt? So ito lang naman ang masasabi ko sa inyo, no?
Di mo man lang
Napapansin ang bagong t-shirt ko.
Ano may called? Eraser keyhead.
Earrings heads.
Si Mike, sa Mike. Ay, Mike, Mike. Pakita mo din yung t-shirt.
Tato.
Ay, shoot!
Ay,
Shoot!
shoot yun si Mike.
Ito ka lang ng effort to do that, diba? Yung pag-retouch pa lang eh. Nag-swim ka nga ng hapon, nakita mo kasi baka mabura.
Yun nga eh.
Dali pa kita mo na yung tattoo mo, please.
Parang ano na ako. Hindi talaga to tato.
Parang
Sugat.
hindi ko yun yung matutrending.
Hindi to tato. Sugatan talaga.
Ano ba, napakatagal naman nung nag-deliver kanina pa siya.
Tawagan mo kaya. Okay. Papahiya na tayo sa audience sabi natin.
It's alright now.
It's a prank pala, guys. It's a prank.
Come into your doorstep. Ano mo, pinigil na naman yung ano mo? Yung girlfriend mo sa baba.
Matawag. Saan na mic pala tayo para marinig, Char? So we are live here at Prestige.
Don't say the address. Maghula na lang sila which Prestige, diba?
Prestige with no commercial break, live telecasts.
And this is brought to you by Fernando's Bake Shop. Ano ba yun? Liquid Germs. That's entertainment. My God, I'm revealing my age.
Main sponsor IPA talaga.
Main sponsor IP. Yan na.
Sa kapa. Pagkain natin si Kuya sa Pogi ba?
Wala.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Danyawan.
Danyawan.
Guys, smell siya sa'yo.
Siyempre, kita niya short.
You show it on the camera because this is one of the things talaga I really like in India.
Pag-unboxing tayo.
The way they do the packaging, it's really good. Look.
So hi guys, this is the packaging here in India. So it's so effort. It's so effort. It's so mindful.
May card pa.
I don't know
What
what.
does it say? Please do not accept. It's sealed.
Now brewing at Madina Gouda. I think there's a new branch for
What's
that.
that?
I hear. You
Set.
got now.
May discount pa pag
We
pupunta.
are earn 10% cash back.
Pag may...
No, let's do the.
Wala na, wala sa front. Yun lang.
Ano ba yung sulat? Pag dinis na ba ng table?
Wag na, mamaya.
Sige.
Tapon na yan.
Nag-volunteer ako eh. Kaya huwag mo akong masahan mamaya. Pinigilan mo ako.
So here.
Ganun-ganun na din.
Kasi look at the packaging. Hindi talaga siya magbagsak-bagsak. or-
Pero ano, parang minus 5.
Ay, may spin.
Napaka rin reklamo. This is my Americano.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yes,
Kasi
my
meron ka na.
Americano.
Sabaw.
Oh, that's my croissant.
Oh, okay.
Ba't non-veg? Ba't non-veg?
It's veg kasi it has eggs.
Yeah, here. So the reason na.
Is it? I think it's hot.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh,
So here's the refined sugar.
I don't do sugar.
So here's.
Parang na naman yun.
So look, it's so nice.
Yes.
It's really, really nice.
Makes sense.
And the knife is here.
That's like...
And sure.
Ay, buntis ko
Why mo na yun? Ano ba? Pinama kita lang ng pinama to!
Oh, tapos naka-seal po.
Pero bakit sa gano'n sa kanya?
What?
Hot coffee kasi siya.
Because I'm hot. And the coffee.
Hindi siya na crispy.
Oh, ay! Kasi we have something here, diba?
Crispy lang sa'yo.
Hindi, baka madumi lang yung kamay yung ano. I mean, like may something dun sa hand nung naglagay. But no, kasi...
Ang bango!
Dude!
Sensor.
Yeah, no profanities please in my presence.
In the vlog. So magkakape na kami. This ends the first episode. Diretso na kami sa second episode.
Yeah.
Mag-iba na yung tono ng boses na.
Hindi na ako ba rin, no?
So ano naman yung topic?
Guys, thanks for sticking. Till
Please
the
don't
end.
forget to pray at night.
Yeah. Just always pray at night.
TCCIC, Japan.
I trust and love you. Italy.
Just always pray at night. Take care because I care.
Well, gusto ko din si Wendy.
Okay,
Welcome
balik
to Jamaica.
sugar.
Have a nice day. Charot.
Bye-bye. We'll see you sa next vlog.
Bye.
In 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.